of purifier in Pokemongo. So you need to purify 1,000 shadow Pokemons for this one, uh, which is not easy task, by the way. As you can see, I got the medal already, and purifying 1,000 Pokemon is gonna cost you tons of Stardust, roughly around maybe 3 million. And the worst part, the time, because it takes almost like 20 to 30 seconds to purify one shadow Pokemon. So and you don't want to suffer that pain, right? Today I'm gonna show you how I automated this task, and which is easily repeatable for anyone, and your phone will do the job for you, and you don't have to worry about clicking and tapping and all that crap. Okay. So for automation, I have downloaded an application called AutoClick. Let me show it to you real quick. If you go over there, you will see this AutoClick icon. Now this app is available on Android store. I'm not sure if there is something similar for iOS as well, but I will put the link for Android store at least in the description, so you guys can quickly refer it. Now moving on, so for automation, uh, you need these four things. First, you have to catch a bunch of shadow Pokemons. Okay. Second, tag them. So I'll show you like how I have done it. So as you can see, you need to have shadow Pokemons for that, for purifying obviously. So first step is getting all of them done. Second, tag them. So you can create a tag, or you can add to an existing tag, whatever you want to do. So these will only include that, in that case, shadow Pokemons that you want to purify. You don't want to purify any high IV shadow Pokemons, as those can be used in Go Battle Leagues. So once you have tagged them, you need to ensure that you have enough Stardust for you. So for example, I got 2,65,000 Stardust roughly, and I got 14 Pokemons to purify. Okay, so 14 into maybe on an average 3k is basically like uh, roughly 45,000 around. So that's the third step. Now what you have to do is, once you have opened this screen, okay, now you only see the Pokemons that you want to purify. Go to AutoClick app, click on enable, and create a new configuration now. Okay, once you create a new configuration, go back to your Pokemon Go application. Now you need to create pointers, like where do the application has to click basically, right? So you can just click on that. You can just place out pointers on the screen using the plus icon, and then just hover it over like where you want the actual click to happen. Now you have to edit it. Okay, so by editing I mean, you have to understand how much time it takes from one animation to another, to how much time it takes to move between different animations. Maybe let's call it 5 seconds. It takes 5 seconds to load the Pokemon at least, so I'm doing that. So now you have to move through the process as like what you're gonna do on a repetitive manner. So once you click on it, now you have a Pokemon, and you have to purify it. Now purify icon will always be here. So yeah, I'm putting the second marker over here again, maybe 5 seconds. Let's see. So so it's now total of 10 seconds. Then I have to click purify. It will ask for a confirmation pop-up. Yes, I want to. Again I will put maybe 10 seconds, because this time the Pokemon is going to take a lot of time to go through the animation. So I'll just click yes over here, and it will go for the confirmation, maybe 10 seconds or so. Oh no, it's done. Okay, so roughly or less than 10 seconds. So once you have done that, you have to click another pointer to close this one out. Okay, so since you have set up all the steps now, you can just set this 5 seconds as well. this should be doable. And now you can just click on this arrow icon to just hide it. Okay, we'll just remove this Pokemon from here, or even better, what you can do is you can use a default shadow tag, so the purified Pokemons will not stay over here in that case. Okay, so I think our process is ready. Let's test it out. Let's click the play icon now. You can also expand it so you can see what's actually happening, where the clicks is happening. So just let's say play. Step 1 has happened. Step 2, I'm not clicking anywhere by the way. Step 3, animation takes place now. From third step to fourth step it will take 10 seconds before execute fourth step. So 10 seconds are done, I guess. Let's wait for fourth step to happen. Crap. Okay, there needs some adjustments. So third step should take maybe 20 seconds, and I will close this one out. So these kind of mistakes happen, so you have to test your processes once. You have to test your automation, but yeah, in long run it will save a lot of time for you. So again, click on plus. Let's see where it happens. First step, second, third, animation time. Hopefully it will work. I will just wait for it to close. See, fourth click happened, and now we are back to square one. Let's wait. See, now it's Duskull that will be purified. You have to click on, so it automatically happens. You don't have to worry about that anymore. So this is just a demo of 10 odd Pokemon that I have that you can see, but in this way you can achieve 1,000 of them basically very easily. But you have to catch a lot of those first and then tag them and automate this process. As you can see, now it's the Nidoran's turn. Okay, so as you can see, the loop is working perfectly fine. Now obviously you want to save it for, you don't want to create it every time, right? So there's an option to save as well. So just click on the cog, just name it something that that is easily for you. Purify shadow. Okay, and save. Okay, so what I will do, I will just close this app. I will show you how to load the existing configuration. So you can just go to app again, click on enable, and now you will have the one that you created over here, Purify shadow. You can just click on it and it will automatically load out. So this way you can automate a lot of pain of yours and save a lot of time while also achieving platinum medals. And no hacking, nothing like that. It's just we are just simplifying our life. So great talking to you, all of you. See you in the next video.